Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana portfolio styles for cross-team performance. To activate Asana portfolio styles for cross-team performance, start by logging into your Asana account. Once logged in, navigate to the project view where you want to enable portfolio styles. Locate the project settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the project settings to open the menu. In the settings menu, find the fields section. Here, you will see various customization options. Look for the option labeled Enable Portfolio Styles. Toggle this option to the active position. After enabling, you will have various layout options to choose from. Select the layout that best fits your team's workflow. After selecting your layout, save the changes to apply them. Next, return to the main project view to ensure the settings are now active. You should now see the new portfolio styles reflected in your project. To enhance cross-team performance, consider adding key metrics to each portfolio. This can help in tracking progress and aligning goals across teams. Share the updated project with your team members for better collaboration. Encourage feedback on the new layout to refine it further. By actively using these portfolio styles, teams can improve their workflow and transparency. Regularly revisit the settings and adjust as necessary to maintain optimal performance. Utilizing Asana portfolio styles can significantly enhance cross-team collaboration and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.